For many older people, having to leave their home and go into a care situation may be inevitable. But anything we can do that can help avoid or delay that decision will not only improve patient well-being, but also save families and the social care system a lot of money. Now, Better Hygiene Limited has created a simple and low-cost bidet version of the 4-inch raised seat that so many of us need to use as we get older. Washseat incorporates a wonderful warm water bidet wash. It's totally portable, fits on any toilet, and needs no plumbing or wiring. It's quick and easy to install, safe to use, and delivers a gentle but effective warm water bidet wash wherever you may be, at home or away. Washseat consists of a 4-inch raised seat with special tunnels on either side for a bidet wash wand to pass through. There's a refillable water reservoir, a wash wand with nozzles, and a control stop-start button. Simply fill up the reservoir with warm water, and at the push of the start button, the battery-powered pump will provide a gentle but thorough bidet wash. The water spray can be easily directed as required. The device is very easily fitted to any toilet in seconds. A wash wand is pushed through the wand tunnel when needed, so that the water outlet nozzles are under the user's bottom. It's pulled back into the tunnel out of sight when not in use. The reservoir and battery-powered pump sit at the side of the toilet. The battery will need charging every couple of weeks or so, depending on usage. You can get warm water from your wash basin using the flexible filler trug and simply pour it into the reservoir. If you wish, you can add a few drops of Care Wash emollient to the wash water. A sample is included for you to try, which will greatly improve the bidet wash experience. A healthcare professional can advise you if you'd like to add a medication to the water. Your wash will last around 25 seconds, and the pressure is preset for a comfortable and effective wash. When the flow stops, simply dab dry with a small pad of toilet paper. You can stop and restart the wash anytime just by pushing the button. When you first install Washseat, it can be reassuring to test the spray with your hand before using, so that you can see it work and how it feels. There's a wash wand tunnel on each side of the seat, so you can set up the unit whichever side of the toilet is best for you and your bathroom. Washseat does not require mains power or its own water supply, so it's fully portable and can be taken with you wherever you go, with no need for plumbers or electricians. A Washseat carry bag is included for those trips away from home. It's simple to use and very gentle on the skin, so those who struggle to clean themselves will find it much easier to get clean, reducing feces buildup and alleviating skin breakdown. Using Washseat, you will never need wet wipes again, and you'll need much less toilet paper, saving you money and providing many environmental benefits. Whether you have a carer's help or manage by yourself, your personal hygiene in the bathroom will be a much nicer and more manageable experience. With Washseat, warm water is much kinder to your bottom than dry toilet paper, and you will never need to use wet wipes again. You can find out more about Washseat and rent or buy one today by visiting www.washseat.co.uk.